Hey guys, welcome back. So I decided to film another weekly vlog today, kind of like another day in my life type of video. So I just finished filming a huge loungewear haul. All of the stuff is from Boohoo. I placed a huge order and it just came in. So I have a bunch of new comfy cozy clothes that I am just going to be obsessed with and living in during this quarantine and self-isolation. So if you guys are looking for some cute comfy clothes to wear and you're just like running out of things to wear and you still want to be comfy, go check out that video. I will leave it linked down below. Bunch of cute stuff right now that is on sale. So many good clothes. So I will have that link. I am just wrapping up filming that. I'm gonna get back to work in a little bit, but in this vlog, we're also gonna be having a little happy hour at work because we're not able to actually be at work. And obviously my team, we wanna still interact with each other and see each other. We're gonna be having a Zoom happy hour. I feel like a lot of people have been doing this, just having happy hours online and on Zoom just to connect and feel like life is still normal. So we're gonna be making drinks later and just talking with my coworkers on Zoom, so that should be fun. Tonight, me and Tyler, well, I'm gonna be cooking tonight. We're gonna be making DIY chipotle bowls, which is like super easy. Literally, I will show you guys the recipe of everything, how to make it. It's the easiest meal ever, and it leaves so many leftovers, so we're gonna be making that for dinner tonight. So if you want to see the recipe and how to make that, just stay tuned to the end of the video. I'm gonna answer a few emails, get back to work, film the try-on portion of the haul, which is already live, and then we'll catch up in a little bit. Yeah? Okay, thank you. I'm starving. We're about to eat lunch. I just finished cleaning up after filming my try-on haul. I wanted to show you guys my outfit. It will be in my haul, but I'm gonna be linking this down below as well because I think it's super cute. I'm just wearing this like cropped hoodie that has like the little ties on the bottom, and I just decided to like tuck it in. You can like make it super cinched. Because my pants already have the tie, I didn't want double tie, so I just kind of tucked it in there, and I think that looks good. Necklaces and jewelry are always the same. I always link every piece of jewelry that I wear down below in the description box. And then the pants are also from Boohoo. I love the color. They're like this, like, I don't know, dark blue teal color. I think they're super cute, and they hit me at the perfect length, and I love them. Super cute outfit for my Zoom happy hour later. Okay, I just got back from Trader Joe's. Went to pick up some items. Totally cannot see that. Went and braved the grocery store. I actually like made a little face mask with this little cute bandana that I have. I actually bought it for Palm Springs last year, and it's really cute. I will insert the photo that I posted on Instagram. If you guys don't follow me on Instagram, I try to post like when there's worthy stuff. I don't post like that often, but when I do post, I feel like pretty good content. Got some wine. I've showed you this before. Bought it at Trader Joe's. It's just the Vinas Chilena Sauvignon Blanc. Bought that. I'm just gonna put that in the freezer. I actually bought it for my happy hour that I'm gonna have at work. Some avocados. I got some of that gin again, just because it's easy. And I think I'm gonna make a little drink, actually, like a gin julep. Me and Tyler did like a whole cocktail competition a couple vlogs back, so if you guys haven't seen that, I did like a full breakdown of the recipe. But I'm gonna make myself a drink right now with my fancy glasses from Home Goods that I love so much. I bought some mint. Oh, I'm grabbing my Casamigos. I don't know why I'm using gin. What's going on with me? I don't know. Little mint, that much. I don't know how much this much is, but I just kind of eyeball it. Give it a little rinse, put it in the bottom of your glass. Grabbing some, oh, all we have is triple sec. We left the simple syrup at Tyler's house. We're gonna tease a little bit of that. A little bit of this mint syrup. I used it before when I did this. It was pretty good. This bar spoon. I will link all of the like tools that I'm using down below. I got this bar spoon from, I think, Pottery Barn, and I have this whole like really cute barware set that I freaking love. It's so cute. So I'm just muddling the mint in the bottom just to release the oil a little bit. Ratchet crushed ice method. I literally put some ice cubes in a bag, and in order to make it crush, you break it like that. Ow. Okay. Open up our spirit. 2 shots. Oh, that's one. JK. 2 shots. Pour it to the tippy top. Lime. Mix. Pour our ice. Probably use like one big one. Just hide that in the bottom if you don't have crushed ice. A little garnish. Voila! Have a ginger julep. So good. This is like my favorite new drink. Like, I don't know why I have never discovered these before, but they're so good. Oh my god. So good. You guys need to try this and tell me how you like it, because it's one of my faves. I actually realized that my happy hour is in like 30 minutes, so I have some time. So right now I'm gonna be prepping dinner, and I'm doing DIY chipotle bowl, like I said earlier, and I'm gonna show you guys all of the steps. So the first step is to create the marinade. So I have all of my ingredients basically right here that I need. I know it's kind of like all over the place, but I'm going to show you guys what you need. So first you need half of a medium yellow onion. So I already cut that in half, and we're just going to be roughly dicing this. 3 cloves of garlic. So I have my garlic here. I'm going to cut that up. 1 lime. We just need all of the lime juice. So I'm going to cut that and squeeze that. I don't have chili powder, so I'm going to be adding a couple of hot ingredients. So like paprika. And then what else do I have? I also have something else that's kind of, oh, here we are. Red pepper. So I just kind of like substitute when I don't have something. I'll just like grab other things in my kitchen. So I'm going to do red pepper and paprika. And then we don't have adobo sauce or chipotle, so that's why I'm trying to like find hotness in other areas. You need 2 teaspoons of olive oil. So I'm just using this from Bertolli, just from the grocery store. Need some ground cumin, just 1 teaspoon of this. Dried oregano, again 1 teaspoon. 1 tablespoon of salt. Some black pepper. Last thing is 1/2 cup of chicken broth. So that is all of our ingredients. We're going to be creating the marinade, and we're going to put all of this in a blender. So I don't have like an actual blender, so I'm just going to be using my little Ninja, which I always use, and we're gonna put everything in there. So first step is I'm gonna cut everything up, and then we'll put it in the blender. Oh my god, I'm an amateur. Okay, we're gonna try to be strong and do this fast. Get some paprika in there. It's our chili powder substitute, so we want to make it a little spicy. Oregano, just eyeballing it. Okay, we're gonna put some salt, that much. I already squeezed the lime in there, I forgot to record that. But last step is 1/2 cup of chicken broth. A tiny bit more. Olive oil. So about 1, 2. Shake it up. Our chicken that has already been prepped and ready to go. Now we're gonna pour our marinade over the chicken. Make sure everything fits. So I'm gonna tousle everything over. And I may need a bigger bowl. And we're gonna pour the rest. Cover it with some cling wrap. So that's what I'm gonna do. Like that, and then we're gonna leave it in the fridge for about 1.5 hours tops. You could do like 4 hours if you really want to prepare this ahead of time, but you don't want to leave it in the marinade for too long, because then the lime will start cooking in the chicken and you don't want that. So I'm gonna leave it in the fridge for about 1.5 hours and then take it out and then start grilling it. So I have enough time to do my happy hour, let this cook a little bit, get all the juices in there, and then I'll come back and cook it for real.
Same with Ian has 2 Ians.
How do you do it so you see everyone's screen at the same time? How do I fix that? What's everyone drinking? What?
Limeade.
I made a fun drink.
Manhattan.
Gin julep.
I thought the drinking was at 4:30. No?
It's like vodka with just like Hawaiian.
I'm gonna make a Kentucky bourbon. Ooh.
Fancy.
Tanisha. Wow.
I have a gin julep.
Very nice. Fancy.
Haven't.
Myself a drink then.
And your nails are done, Tanisha?
No, they're growing out. Look, they're growing out. These are like a month.
Okay.
These are like a month old.
They've not long, Tanisha.
I don't know. I think they have about like 4 days left and they're about to pop off soon. So.
I got mine done like right after, because I remember when you had gotten yours
Yeah,
done,
I
you
went to
told me
the
about it.
place you recommended. They're really good. Okay, so took the marinade out. The chicken has been in there for, it's 7 p.m. and I started my happy hour at like 4:30.
Did you record yourself making the marinade?
Yeah.
Tanisha made
So about
her own
2.5
marinade. I'm
hours.
very impressed.
Well, I followed a recipe.
Still, it's like to even think that, like, oh, let me make my own marinade.
Yeah, well, I followed a recipe. It's been marinating for about 2.5 hours. So Tyler is going to cook it because he is like the pro at cooking chicken and I always like when he cooks it. So we're going to cook that. I have the water going for the rice, have my boiling water. So I'm going to put some salt and oil in here. Salt. And that's it. I don't have any exact recipe. I just eyeball it and I'm like, that's good.
And it comes out perfectly every time.
And you don't touch it. You don't check it. You don't look at it. You just leave it alone. Okay, while we have the chicken cooking in the oven, I am just making some guacamole. So I put one whole avocado in this little bowl and I'm just kind of like chopping it up. I probably should do this with a fork. That would be a lot smarter. Some salt, just a little bit. Pepper. Tiny bit of garlic, just like a little bit. For a little spice, we're gonna do some cayenne pepper. Mash that up. That is perfect. So I'm gonna do one more, just because I like a lot of guacamole. Kind of a lot in here, so I just like to mash it up first. And I'll go in and add my seasoning. Do a little taste test. Oops. And that is perfect. Okay, have our bed of rice. This one's Tyler's because that has more. This one's mine because it's smaller. Cut up the chicken. Didn't have any lettuce, so we're just using the salad like greens that we have. Avocado, guacamole that I made. Cut up tomatoes, salsa, cheese, and then we have some corn and beans with cotija cheese. Okay, that's good for me.
There's nothing in this world that I've ever needed more from you. I've been colder than this before. You've been on my mind.
Oh, and the finishing touch.
Ta-da! Chipotle bowl at home.
Ooh, well, it looks good.
Bon appetit! This is what our bowls look
Let
like.
me be great.
So they look so yummy and healthy. We're gonna eat and top these off with, obviously, tapatio. Need some hot sauce for that. And we have lots of leftovers. Yum!